Welcome to day 26 of the Keto Carney Gapsivore-like challenge. Feeling pretty good today. In terms of food, of course, we're still on boiled meat and broth, and our target is increasing fat intake to the best of our ability. In a moment, I'll show you our body composition metrics according to the scale. But to appreciate what's happening here, we need to remind ourselves about how we utilize the three main macronutrients: protein, carbohydrate, and fat. Carbohydrate is exclusively a fuel for us. It's not a building block. There's nothing in our body made up of carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are non-essential. They are simply a fuel source. Fat is a fuel source and a structural substrate. Of course, fat is a fuel we burn for energy, but some things in our body is made from fat. Cell membranes, our brain. Protein is, of course, mainly a building block, muscle tissue, and other structures in our bodies. When needed, we can also utilize protein as a fuel. Through neoglucogenesis, we can convert protein into glucose and burn that as a fuel. About 20% of our brain's activity requires glucose. So for those of us not eating any carbohydrate at all, a certain amount of protein will need to be converted to glucose to fuel the brain. And when I say carbohydrates are non-essential, we need to make sure we know what essential and non-essential means. Essential means our bodies cannot produce it, and so we have to take it in from the outside. We're talking about vitamins, minerals, macronutrients. Essential has to come from our diet. Non-essential means our bodies produce it. So non-essential vitamins are produced by our body. Of course, non-essential does not mean it's not important to include in our diet. But if our bodies don't produce enough of this non-essential vitamin or macronutrient, then we rely on our diet to get it. And we'll continue to dive deeper and deeper into this topic, but for now, let me show you my body composition today. And in the 30-day update on Sunday, May 14th, we'll look at the trends over the past 30 days, and we'll define our base point from which we're going to build a brand new human being. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you guys later.